Hey everyone! Let's get ready to make some dinner. Tonight we're making Italian white bean soup. This is one of the easiest recipes and it's super tasty and delicious. Buddy, out of the kitchen. This recipe was one of the first recipes I ever learned how to cook, so come on, let's get cooking. We'll start off in a large soup pan, sauteing 1/2 diced onion in 1 tablespoon olive oil. After around 5 minutes of sauteing the onions, stirring occasionally to make sure they don't burn, you'll add in your garlic cloves. Next, you'll add in your vegetable broth. You'll want 6 cups of it, and you'll begin to bring it to a boil. After that, you'll stir in about 1.5 cups of farfalle bowtie pasta. Here, you can make it even healthier by using whole wheat bowties instead. Next, we'll stir in white cannellini beans and diced stewed tomatoes. Stir that all together, let it heat up, finish cooking the noodles, and your soup is just about ready. Look at how gorgeous that is. The colors are really starting to come together. Go ahead and check your noodles by biting it in half and making sure it's perfectly al dente. Add cilantro, and then it's time to add maybe just a little bit of vegan parmesan because I couldn't resist, and it makes this dish even tastier, but only a little bit. Or a lot. Finally, we'll top it off with 1 more tablespoon of olive oil, some salt and pepper to taste, and your soup is ready to eat. Thanks so much for following along. I hope this recipe gets you into your kitchen and that you have a chance to try it soon. Comment down below what recipes you want to see next. Should I do another soup recipe? Let me know. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good night.